Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of gadgets so you don't have to. Today, we're soaring to new heights. Literally, we're comparing two popular drones, the Holy Stone HS720E and the TENSSENX GPS Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First, let's talk money. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, priced at $399. Now that's the kind of price tag that makes your wallet want to take a vacation. Meanwhile, on the right, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone, coming in at a much friendlier $169. It's like the Holy Stone is the fancy steak dinner, and the TENSSENX is the tasty taco truck down the street. Both great, but one leaves you with more cash for dessert. Next up, let's zoom in on those cameras. Holy Stone boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. Crystal clear videos, no blurring, and a sensor so good it might just capture your good side for once. On the other hand, the TENSSENX also flexes a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drone cameras. But let's be real, if the Holy Stone is a professional photographer, the TENSSENX is the Instagram influencer with a really good filter. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. The Holy Stone gives you 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite show. Plus, it's got Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's practically the James Bond of drones. Smooth, reliable, and always knows where home is. TENSSENX, on the other hand, offers a whopping 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. It just keeps going and going. It's got all the beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. If the Holy Stone is James Bond, the TENSSENX is that super enthusiastic intern who's just happy to be here. Let's talk design. The Holy Stone is sleek and comes with a carrying bag, perfect for the drone fashionista. It's got brushless motors for whisper quiet power, so you can finally enjoy a peaceful flight without sounding like a swarm of angry bees. The TENSSENX also comes with a carrying case, and it's foldable, making it super portable. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. It's like the Marie Kondo of drones, compact, organized, and sparks joy without the paperwork. Lastly, let's talk smarts. Holy Stone's got GPS location and auto return to home, so it's like your drone has a built-in GPS that never gets lost, unlike me trying to find my car in a mall parking lot. TENSSENX X also has GPS auto return and some nifty intelligent functions like tracing and following you, flying along a path, and taking selfies when you pose. It's like having a personal drone paparazzi that actually listens to you. Reviewers have a lot to say about both these drones. The Holy Stone HS720E is praised for its quality, stability, and advanced features, making it a great value purchase for enthusiasts and hobbyists. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS Drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners, offering a lot of bang for your buck. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Holy Stone with its high-end features and sleek design, or Team TENSSENX with its budget-friendly price and beginner-friendly options, both drones have something amazing to offer. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you're rooting for. Until next time, keep flying smart and buying smarter. Bye! And don't forget to check the product links in the description.